Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. New day, new vlog. So we are ready to go for a nice appointment, acupuncture. Isa is going with dad in the car, to the car seat. Yeah. And Anaya, she is going to wear jacket and also going to the car seat. Yeah. Are you going for acupuncture? To see Dr. Bang? Let's go. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Na 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 na. Hopefully, this time it will be much easier to put your hands in. Yeah. Raise your hand. One hand is almost in. One hand is almost in. Almost in. Yeah. One hand is in. How will we even our hand? How will we even our hand? Bend. And it's like hard with this one. I know. Like lost. It's like lost between so many. Okay. Let's do it this way. Ugh. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Almost. 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 Mama can see. Mama can see one finger. Here it is. Mama found it. Mama found it. Your hand. Mama bought this jacket by thinking it will be easier to put on because it's eyes up, but it's not easier. It's even harder to put on. Yeah? Okay. Almost done. Wow, Isa, such a cool.
Your mom took the picture. Did your mom take a picture for you?
Anaya.
Wait. Come here. Let me scold you. Come here.
Daddy, and I will beat you.
Come here. You're not
Go
listening.
on the cup.
You are not listening, Isa. Come here. Let me teach you some lesson. Come. Anna is angry. What? 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 Ooh. 1, 2, 3.
You're welcome. So we are back home. We had food, all of us. Sorry. And Naz are having fun. And I also, I had a sneeze. So yeah, soon as it's nap time. It was really good day.
Whoa, keep it.
No problem.
What happened? What happened? Oh, wait. Wait. Whoa, look at nice. Take it, nice. Take it all right. Take it nice. Take it all right. Sorry.
Give Mama.
Oh, look. Look. Okay. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Watch out! It's giant!
Come.
What's that? What's that?
Jordan.
What's that?
Jordan, you want?
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Anaya is sitting for about 15 minutes like this. Yeah. Good girl.
Mommy.
There. Chocolate on your dress. Yeah. On your dress. Where's your dress?
Mommy.
Isa. 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 You want chocolate?
Okay.
Look, chocolate is there on your dress.
Dress
Your dress. Here.
here.
On your tummy. Where's your tummy? Here, check. With another hand. Look down. Isa, look down. You have chocolate. Isa. Isa. You have chocolate. Look there. Chocolate. There. Here. There. No, another side. This side. This side. This side. Another side. Yeah. Yeah. Check. Look around. Yeah. Under the dress. Where's your dress? Look, dress. You have chocolate there. Can you see?
Chocolate.
Mm.
Dad. Oh no.
So I ordered.
Oh
Yeah.
no. Oh no.
It's coming. It's coming. So I ordered coffee machine. It was on the black sales deal. It was if you buying coffee capsules for £40. So machine is just only £10. So I ordered that, and we tried straight away coffee. I tried cappuccino, and Janetti tried chai latte. It was so yummy, so nice. I'm so happy that I'm so happy that I got it. I love to drink coffee, so to drink coffee once a day like this in the morning, like latte or cappuccino, is yummy. I bought different flavors because you have to buy like 10 boxes for £40. So I bought like different flavors, just 3 boxes. I bought the same not latte, cappuccino, because I love cappuccino. So yeah, I love it. So today actually we tried 2 cups because we just got a day, so we just trying. I said try cappuccino and caramel cappuccino, I think so. So both of them was really nice. And Anaya is sitting now almost for half an hour like this. She just a little bit going down, but I'm helping her, and then again she's sitting. I think so now she's getting tired because half an hour now gone. Yeah, Anaya? Are you getting tired? Are you getting tired? Are you getting tired now? So another day is gone. It was a good day.
It's gone. It's going very fast. It's black. It's perfect. It's purple by all day. So if you're gonna check
So yeah, it was a good day, but it's that time of the day where I think thanks for watching.
No.
So it's that time of the day where I say thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Bye guys.
No. Milk.
You want milk?
Okay, you get.
Okay.
Me, please.
Take.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
It's okay. Hey, wait, show me. It's okay. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.